will need 2 to 3 raw bananas, salt to taste, and about half a teaspoon of turmeric and oil to fry. So let us start making it. We are going to start off by peeling the banana. After peeling it, dunk it in some water. Here I have some water in which I am going to add some salt and turmeric powder. Here I have a chipser from which I am going to make my chips. So I am going to take the banana and slice it through. My chips are ready. I am going to keep them in this water for about 10 minutes. While that's resting, we are going to heat up our oil. Before adding the banana chips into the oil, I want to ensure that they are super dry. So take out little bit of these chips from the water and keep on a kitchen towel. Now we are going to pat them dry. Now let's fry these. Here I have some oil heating up in low flame. This oil is barely hot. We don't want the oil to be hot. I'm going to drop these. I'm going to fry these in low flame until they are crisp, which will take about 5 to 6 minutes minimum. So our chips are ready. I can feel the light and crispy texture of them. Now I'm going to transfer them to a tissue paper. Few tips right now: don't overload your kadhai, otherwise they may stick together, and make sure they are super dried. Also, don't stir them too much at the initial stages, otherwise they will get clumped together. Our banana chips are ready. Enjoy them as they are or sprinkle over some salt and pepper and enjoy.